Very good morning, students. How are you? I hope all of you are fit and fine and enjoying at home. I am Chandra Bose. Once again, I am here with you. One more interesting interactive session. I hope all of you will enjoy a lot. So as you know, my dear students, nowadays we are continuing the chapter The Lazy Frog. In the last class, we had discussed about the lazy frog and his name was Fred. Once again, I am going to give the brief information regarding this chapter regarding the Fred. So as you know, the Fred was very lazy frog. He slept all day upon a log. He always manages to shirk and he doesn't want to do a single stroke of work. When his mother used to call him for help, he does not move 2 inches. He does not bother to move inches and much prefer to be extremely hard of hearing. And when the lady frog hops past, he wouldn't get up at last to bow, and he did not help her. So it was a brief information about the Fred. Now today we are going to discuss the question answer of this chapter. I hope all of you have understood very well the meaning of this chapter. If you have the knowledge of this poem, if you have learned this poem, definitely you will be able to tell the answer of the given question. Let's start. What did the frog do all day? सारे दिन frog क्या करता था? It's a very simple question. He slept all day upon a log. वो हमेशा सोता रहता था किसके ऊपर? लॉग के ऊपर, द ट्रंक ऑफ ट्री के ऊपर हमेशा सोया रहता था. बिकॉज ही वॉज वेरी लेजी. सो वी कैन गिव द आंसर इन इंग्लिश. द फ्रॉग slept all day upon a log. Question number 2. Beside lazy, what other word can you think of to describe the frog? Here the hint also given how he behaved with his mother when a lady frog walked by. So in this question we need to give one more adjective about the frog. So we can give the first one is shirker. He was manages to shirk. वो हमेशा क्या करता था? काम से जी चुराया करता था, इसलिए हम उसको एग्जेक्टिव देंगे शर्कर. शर्कर जो कामचोर होता है. एंड अदर वन इज़ इम्पोलाइट बिकॉज ही वॉज इम्पोलाइट बिकॉज वेन एवर हिज मदर कॉल्ड हिम फॉर हेल्प ही डज नॉट बॉदर टू मूव 2 इंचेस. वो 2 कदम भी आगे नहीं बढ़ता है जब भी उसकी माँ उसको बुलाया करती थी. And when a lady frog walked by near him, he doesn't want to open up one eye. वो अपनी एक आंख भी नहीं खोलता था. And he did not help her lady. और वो उस लेडी की हेल्प भी नहीं करता था. So we can give one more adjective for him, that is impolite. तो 2 adjectives हैं टू डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स हैं जो फ्रॉग के पर्सनैलिटी को डिस्क्राइब करते हैं बिसाइड लेजी. First one is shirker, SHIRKER, shirker. The second one is impolite, IMPOLITE, impolite. Now the third question. Complete the sentences with reference to the poem. It's a very simple question, interesting. If you have learned the poem and if you have the knowledge of poem, definitely you will be tell the answer of these questions. When the frog's mother called him, he pretended to. जब भी उसकी जो फ्रॉग की मदर उसको बुलाती थी तो कैसा प्रिटेंड करता था? he pretended to be hard of hearing. Okay, the second one is when a lady frog hops by, he does not even. जब उसके पास से लेडी फ्रॉग फुदकती हुई जाया करती थी तो वो क्या करता था? he does not even open up one eye. वो अपनी एक आंख भी नहीं खोलता था. अब now the most interesting question. Do you like the frog's behavior? I know students, all the students will be telling the answer in the same way. Sir, we do not like frog behaviors because he was very lazy, he was impolite, and he was shirker also. Whenever his mother called him for help, he did not bother to move 2 inches. That is why we do not like frog behaviors. So you can write the answers from your ऑन सेल्फ। आप अपने आप भी आंसर लिख सकते हैं। इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल एंड इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन। सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट, recently we have discussed all the question and answer. I hope all of you have understood and enjoyed a lot. Thank you. Have a nice day.